Our Unity in Industry programme is a part-time 13-week course that has 4 weeks worth of industry-led content, followed by 9 weeks which is aimed at designing and producing a proof of concept project for your company. You'll be learning here at Host Salford, which is the only Unity Centre of Excellence in the UK. On the programme, you're going to learn about UI, you'll learn about customisation, you'll learn about players and player animation, you'll also learn about navigation. As an employee, you don't need to convince your boss to pay the full 100% of this course. 70% of the course is actually paid by the Department for Education. Your employer will only need to pay 30%. By the end of the programme, not only will you have finished a proof of concept for your company, you will also get your Unity Professional Programmer qualification, and you will be able to take that concept and build on it when you get back to your company.